The comACRserver is an API communications server for Windows PCs. Users can interface to the ACR7000 or IPA through the comACRserver, whether it's Visual Basic, C++, .NET, or LabVIEW. No need to start over with a new product just because Windows was updated. It's fully compatible with Windows 10. The comACRserver is already installed when you install Parker Motion Manager. It's running in the background when you use PMM, in fact. It allows you to read and write bits and parameters, as well as command motion, of course. The ACR7000 supports 5 connection streams, so you can have 5 different connections to the 7000, whether it's the same computer or different devices connecting to the 7000. So you could have Parker Motion Manager running, you could have HyperTerminal or WinSock terminal type connection also on the same PC. You could have VB.NET or LabVIEW or running. You could also have an Express panel communicating at the same time. The comms for the 7000 and IPA are the same as the 9000. Any code you've developed for the 9000 will also work with the 7000. So the 9000 used ACRView that also had the same exact comACRserver running in the background. We've not made any changes between ACRView and Parker Motion Manager, so communications all the same. Whatever worked on the 9000 will also work on the 7000. No need to start over there. comACRserver allows OEMs with PC-centered machines to use the ACR or IPA for motion and leverage the PC for the other machine requirements, whether that be vision systems, data collection, batch validation into databases, things that computers do well. You can connect to one or multiple ACRs or IPAs using the comACRserver at the same time, or you could use a multi-axis ACR for multi-axis coordinated moves. We've recently updated the comACRserver examples for VB.NET and C#.NET. Let's take a look at some of them. Here's a terminal sample in C#. It'll look fairly similar to the Parker Motion Manager's terminal window. Here's the file transfer sample in C#, allowing you to upload or download programs. Here's a status sample, allows you to read and write any parameter. Here's a move sample in C# that allows you to actually command motion to a certain distance, either absolute or incremental. All the samples have the Visual Studio solution code, allowing programmers to use and modify for their applications. Here we have the jog sample with the panel design and the source code. For OEMs using non-Windows computers such as Linux, or if users wanted even faster communications than using the comACRserver, the binary host interface is available. The comACRserver is a wrapper for the binary host interface, so it's not something separate. It's already internal to the comACRserver. Users can use the binary host interface directly, and we've a sample and write-up in the ACR Programmer's Guide. So for non-Windows PC-centric machines, we have a solution there too.